What's up, YouTube? I'm back with a video real quick, an update video. This video showing like from my old AR pistol to my new one. What I had to do, get a new barrel. Well, I took the barrel off this, put it on this, bought a new Anderson receiver in the lower and with the trigger, and took the buffer off the buffer tube off that and put it on here. And voila, this is what I came out with. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool though. I'm gonna take it to the range right now as we speak. Right now. Don't pay that thing no attention. That block thing no attention. This is what I need to focus on right here. And I'm ashy. So what? I'm about to go. I went from ashy to classy. But I'm about to go take this to the range. This is the Anderson now. So I'm about to see what it do. You just talk. I ain't gonna throw it away. I'm gonna see what I can play with. Make that something cool though. Yeah, y'all probably wondering why this is over here. This ain't nothing but a tool. Nothing but a tool. Like the bing, bing, bing. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing but a hammer for real. But nothing was wrong with this gun. Honestly, everything was loose on this. The buffer tube was loose. Everything was loose. I had to tighten it up. I got a new buffer tube. Everything, new buffer block, all that. I mean, gas block. Oh, I keep saying buffer tube. There was a gas block. None was tightened up on this. The gas block wasn't tightened. Nothing. I had to, when my boy took it off, nothing like, bro, ain't nothing wrong with this gun. Ain't everything is loose. Everything was loose in this gun. But we tightened it up, put some little glue on it. It's gonna be, I'm about to run it today. Y'all gonna see how I'm gonna run it today. I gotta buy some sights for it. But yeah, I'm about to buy some sights. So flip up sights, so then I'm gonna work on a little whatever I'm gonna get. I might trick it out, I might not, who knows. But yeah, that's the video though, y'all. Stay safe, y'all.